Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about how you can add dual apps or clone apps in your device Vivo V25 Pro. So if you want to add dual apps in your device, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can add dual apps or clone apps in your device.